Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhilash back, and today I'm talking about license plate, which I have ordered it online, and I want to give you very good information about this. So when in Bangalore, especially where I wanted to get a license plate for my bike, they were costing me like 1,200 for pair, like the front and back. But I was just checking on Amazon. Like I didn't knew that this will be the same quality which they're gonna sell it in the shop. And this I've got it for just 450 rupees, but I've got both the plates like front and back. So I think I've saved 50% of this. But installation is very simple where we can do it by ourselves. So and I got this within 3 days. So if you're giving an order in the shop, they would take one day. So if you're giving in the morning, by evening they may get, or by next day they may get. So it's same. You have to just wait for another day, and you have to just do a little bit of DIY. So you can save almost 5 to 600 bucks, which is really good amount where you can use that as usual for your ride or for your fuel, and you can ride your bike, a car like bike for another like 100 to 200 kilometers depending on the mileage you get. So I bought this. So this is just quick unboxing. I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link where you can place the order, and I'm gonna explain you the complete process, how this works and how simple it is. So first, you have to place the order, and you have to just go to the feedback section or select seller, click on the seller details. So you'll get an option where you can send a suggestion. There you have to just mention your vehicle number and like model, make, like which bike is this, if it's a bike, which bike, and what's the model, and your vehicle registration number. So once you submit these things, within a day you will get a confirmation call from the seller. So they're gonna call you, they're gonna ask whether the bike is registered in your name, and they will check, reconfirm the details, vehicle number, and then they will put it for production. So on the next day item will be dispatched and it will be delivered. So it took me almost 3 days to get this item delivered. So this is the process. Let's begin the unboxing of this particular license plate. So the quality wise is also really good. So the package was really good. So I've done two package. This is to protect dent and like damage of the your license plate. But there was a little bit like slight like there was a bend, you can see over here. So I think sellers should consider packing it in a very good thing. So they have to use a cardboard. I think that will be the best. I'm gonna definitely give the suggestion to the seller. And but still it was nice. The damage was not there because this is just a plate. You have to just bend it. So you can see. So the quality wise is really good. This is the same aluminum material they have used, and this is for the front, and this here comes the back one. So this is the backside number plate, and this is also really nice. You have to just fix it by yourself. So I'm gonna do a DIY, like show you how to install this number plate. And this is the plate. This is for the front and this is for the back, and this is really nice. The quality is same because I've got this installed to my Activa. I think you have seen that video. It was very long back, and the material wise there is no compromise. And if you're in Bangalore, item will be like the punching, everything happens in Bangalore itself, and really nice. I really liked it. Yeah, this is for the front and this is for the back. The quality wise is really good. So you can place the order by yourself once, okay, and get these number plates delivered. And I'm really happy that I've saved 500 rupees because I just wanted to get this. I went, I had and I did check with the shop also, but they were telling of 1,200 something. But I was really surprised for just two aluminum plates and the punching thing. Why should we pay 1,000 rupees? Because earlier I didn't know, so I bought it for my Activa. I paid almost 1,200, 300 something for front and back, and even for my Royal Enfield I paid 1,200 for front and back. And now this is an experiment which I did, and I'm really happy about this. So this was just an unboxing video and the information. So I'm gonna make a separate video and post it over there. So I'll try to explain you how to get this installation.
ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಲೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ So I have made the mark over here. This is the right one. I just played the plate from the front and from the back using a marker. I have made this points. So I'm gonna make a small hole. You can use a drilling gun or you can punch it and then clean it with the round file and then install it. So I've made a hole using a nail, so you don't have to worry about this paint part. So when you insert this, that will be covered both the side. So it's time to install it. Coming to the front part, I'm gonna remove this screws and match up a hole with the old plate, and then I'm gonna install this. Take this out. ಇದು ರಬ್ಬರು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಳ್ಸ ರಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿದ್ದು ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಓಡಿಸೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನನಗೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಎರಡು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಕೊಡು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಾಗಿಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ
done. So that's it. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. And because of your love and support, I have reached 69,000 subscribers. Thank you. Please do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and let me know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section so I can improve. And do check out my new channel, which is Bang Biker Rabi. So the same video will be uploaded in Bang Biker Rabi, and it will be uploaded in Royal Legend Motorcycle Club also. That's it. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.